Hey folks, it's Ben here from the Fibreglass Factory. Just today I'm talking to you about customising some flares to fit. Before we do that, if you can do me a favour and just hit the subscribe button, then you'll receive notifications which will be helpful for your project that you're working on. So these flares, the reason we had to customise these flares is quite obvious, because he's got these massive tyres under here. All this guard's all different to how it was originally. So what we ended up doing was we cut the flare in half, and we had to put another section in here about 200 mils wide, or 150 mil wide. So what we did was I lined it up as to where I wanted it to go. This middle section actually had a dimple in it, which was handy, so I was able to screw it to it as well. Hot glue some stitches over it just to line it up how I wanted it to go. It didn't line up at the bottom because it was a flare off a different vehicle, so I sort of cut it, sat it down how I wanted it to be, and then I started fiberglassing. Like I sort of V'd it out, V'd the surface out, and then I could fiberglass in there and get it in shape while it's on the vehicle. Then when I wanted to start to glass the inside, I took my self-tappers out, and then I'd take it off the vehicle and I'd fiberglass it, but before it went off, I'd put it back on the vehicle, just to make sure that the fiberglass didn't shrink and pull the flare out of shape. And that's quite important. And then after that, I'd take my stitches out, V that out, and then fiberglass over it again, and then do our filler work, so that it's all blended in and all one piece. So I'm really happy with the result, and the customer's wrapped. So yeah, if you can subscribe, that'll be helpful to us and helpful to you as well. And thanks very much for watching. See you later.